Steve Gens here from Gens and Associates. I'm the managing partner. The firm's been in place for 15 years now, and we focus on the regulatory ecosystem. So what that is, we work with sponsors, both in a premier membership and a consultation advisory capacity, the software and service providers that support them, and then the interactions, the critical interactions with the health authority, the global health authorities across the globe. We started seeing through our benchmarks around 2013 and 14 the beginning of some substantial changes in the regulatory functions and how they work with the health authorities. So we're in the process or in the middle of what we see as the decade of regulatory transformation. And what that looks like is getting to global ways of working, global systems, that critical information that's moved around a sponsor and eventually to the health authority. And lately, the last couple of years, it's the connectivity with regulatory, with areas such as safety PV, clinical, the manufacturing side, medical affairs. So it's the enterprise connectivity and information throughput that's really important with the sponsor side. What is innovation? What could be innovation to one company could look different to others. Some are caught up in some of the technologies like artificial intelligence for better regulatory pathways, data mining technologies for all the health authority interactions, so they're consistent around the globe. And some of it is organizational innovation as far as agility, and we're seeing that tremendously with the drastic changes that's brought about with COVID-19, how companies are reacting, recovering, and what we believe we're going to see in 2021-22 after we get past the vaccination is a renewal phase. We just finished up a pretty large COVID-19 regulatory impact study this fall. One of the really interesting things in the demographics, we asked the companies, are you working on a COVID-19 product, meaning a vaccine, a therapy, or a diagnostic or not? And those that are working on it, there was a significant increase in speed. There's a mindset shift going into a crisis mode of what can be done in a short period of time. And we believe post pandemic, that thinking, that agility, that resilience of organization is going to be leading into a lot of really interesting investments on how we work globally, in this community.